cutting small pieces. We would like to make a small birdhouse, and I have small pieces, wood and small nails. The small nails are really important. I don't want the woods to be broken because of long and really hard and thick nails. So now I would like to make the bottom part of the birdhouse. This is the first step. I'm starting to make the wall. I use the simple wooden panel clamps and screws. So this is how I can make the wall. I'm just using simple screwdriver. The people always use machines for everything and they forget how to use their own hands. And plus I have time for this. Why should I do everything really fast and fast? As you can see that the bottom side is done. I use the nails on the right side and on the left side too. And now I'm fixing the back side. It's not a hard part. It's done. Bottom side, the two walls, and the back side halfway. Now I'm making the roof like this. One side is done.